Can you turn $100 into $10,000? Yes. Will it happen overnight? Absolutely not. In the US market, it's not gambling. It's a game of compounding and skill. If you think some random penny stock will make you rich overnight, this isn't for you. But if you're ready to put in the work, here's my 3-step ladder strategy. Before you invest $100 in the stock market, turn it into active income first. Go to Facebook Marketplace or garage sales and find vintage tech or designer furniture. Buy something for $100, clean it up, improve it slightly, and sell it for $300. Repeat this process again and again until you reach $1,500 in cash. To make money in the market, you first need to build seed money outside the market. Now that you have $1,500, enter the US stock market. Don't just buy random stocks. Learn to sell cash-secured puts using options trading. Focus on strong but volatile companies like SoFi or Palantir. Your goal here is to generate 5% to 10% returns every month. Real money is made when you become the seller, not just the buyer. Once your capital reaches $4,000 to $5,000, shift to concentrated growth. Invest into high-growth ETFs like QQQ or VGT. At the same time, keep adding money from your flipping income into the market. This is where compounding starts working in your favor. Going from $100 to $1,000 is hard, but going from $5,000 to $10,000 becomes much faster. The formula is simple. Earn, flip, multiply. The market doesn't reward shortcuts. It rewards patience. What's your next step? Comment "Start" and I'll send you the first tool. Subscribe for more real money talk.